Water leakage issue from LG split AC. Here are some common reasons for AC water leakage. The AC's drain pipe may be clogged. This prevents the water in the unit from flowing out naturally, causing a buildup and an eventual overflow to occur. Make sure to keep windows and doors closed around the AC unit. It's important to keep your AC clean on a regular basis. Dirt buildup on the air filter can also cause grime to form. This can block the airflow over the evaporator coils and the temperature can drop to freezing levels. In this case, ice may form instead of moisture, and this can cause an excessive amount of water to drip in the drainage pan, which will then lead to an overflow and water to leak from the AC. Here is how to maintain your AC. Keep your product clean to maintain optimal performance. Follow this cleaning schedule as recommended by LG.